Another day, another story. If you love woodworking or want to try your hand at it, this video is for you. In this video, we'll show you 10 amazing woodworking projects that you can make at home with just a few tools and materials. Rustic Wooden Bench. Create a beautiful, rustic wooden bench perfect for your porch or garden. You'll learn how to use a saw, drill, and sandpaper to make this project a success. Wooden wine rack. Impress your friends with a handmade wine rack that you can proudly display in your home. You'll learn how to measure and cut wood to create a unique and functional wine rack. Wooden phone stand. Keep your phones safe and within reach with a wooden phone stand. You'll learn how to use a router and sandpaper to create a sleek and modern phone stand. Wooden coat rack. Organize your coats and jackets with a stylish wooden coat rack. You'll learn how to use a saw and drill to create a functional and beautiful coat rack. Wooden cutting board. Make your own custom cutting board with different types of wood. You'll learn how to use a saw and sandpaper to create a durable and beautiful cutting board. Wooden picture frame. Create a unique picture frame that you can use to display your favorite photos. You'll learn how to use a router and sandpaper to create a one-of-a-kind picture frame. Wooden plant stand. Give your plants a stylish home with a handmade wooden plant stand. You'll learn how to use a saw and drill to create a beautiful and functional plant stand. Wooden birdhouse. Build a cozy birdhouse for your feathered friends. You'll learn how to measure and cut wood to create a safe and comfortable home for birds. Wooden bookends. Keep your books in place with handmade wooden bookends. You'll learn how to use a saw and sandpaper to create a unique and functional bookend. Wooden serving tray. Serve your guests in style with a wooden serving tray. You'll learn how to use a router and sandpaper to create a beautiful and functional serving tray. Woodworking is a rewarding and satisfying hobby that allows you to create beautiful and functional items for your home. With the right tools and materials, anyone can create amazing woodworking projects. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your tools, and let's get started. Thanks for watching.